anytime you have a question of this magnitude, you have to always look to what the Chachamim, the leading Torah sages of the generation, have to say on this matter. And it's undisputed that the leading Poskim have all said clearly that women should not be wearing tefillin and talit. Period. That's what the halacha is, that's what the custom is, that's what it's been. And it seems like this action by these women is provoking a lot of people in Eretz Yisrael. We saw what happened a few days ago. Obviously, no one supports any alimut, any fighting, any stone throwing, God forbid, chaz v'shalom. But we have to see, what is the halacha? What do the poskim say? And it's quite clearly that the poskim do not allow this, do not support such actions. And the real question you have to ask these individuals is, if they don't want to hear what the words of the chachamim, they don't want to hear what the sages and the rabbis have to say about this, then why are they wearing tefillin with the box and straps and with all the specifications as outlined by the Gemara and by all the poskim? If they don't believe in it, so why are they wearing it? Elamai, it seems like it's clear that they're doing this to get attention for their way of life. And again, I'm not against anyone, God forbid, but let's do everything with Achinoam. Follow what the rabbi of the Kotel has to say. Follow what the Gdolei Yisrael have to say. And they made it clearly that this should not happen. They want to find them a different area, do it in your own local synagogues, but to come to the holiest side of Judaism, which is dear to Am Yisrael as a whole. But obviously the Charedim and the Dati'im have been the ones that have been very careful to support the Kotel in its holiness, the way it's been passed down to us over the past few thousand years. And therefore, we should try to find a peaceful resolution to end this conflict by listening to the sages that lead Am Yisrael in today's generation.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.